Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Ford Ranger Wild Track Dual Cab Ute, stock reference number 3843. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2011. It has a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has suffered a rollover. It's fitted with factory 18-inch Wild Track alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. Have the passenger seat, leather and grey cloth. Rear seat, left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Have the left tail light, Wild Track type, clear. Chrome bumper bar, in pretty tidy condition. Factory fitted tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, less neck. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag without the tyre. Right front, 18-inch factory alloy Wild Track mag without the tyre. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey leather interior. It's got a Wild Track centre console with the black leather insert, automatic type, 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, fan speed knob, temperature and direction knobs, heater controls as well. It's got an aftermarket Sony sat nav unit, have the display cluster up top, instrument cluster, and a 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.